going to show you about my yesterday's birthday gifts. This is a crayons. This is how many crayons are there? There are 24 crayons.
Show properly. Wax crayons, okay.
Wax crayons.
Okay.
Now we're going to open.
Yeah, open and show us, okay. Keep it here, okay. I'll take
In
it.
open, we should do like this.
Oh,
Like this.
big crayons, right?
Yes.
Okay, good. What about this? Oh, extra sketch pen.
This is a sketch pen.
Oh. Oh, this is eraser.
This is a card eraser. And this is a sharpener.
Good, 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 good. Good. Okay, you can close it.
Next one is with Hey, I'm a Next one is storybook.
What stories are there?
They are animal story. Animal story.
Okay.
This is happy birthday.
Okay, okay. Show another one. Keep it aside. That's fine.
This is a pencil
Okay.
box.
Okay, princess and all are there, huh?
This is wow. Pencil is there. One scale is there.
Okay.
One sharp eraser is there. and
Sharpener.
one sharpener.
Okay, stationery kit. Okay. Okay, keep it inside. That's fine.
Wait. Next we're going to look about red cat.
Okay.
We're going to open now. Let's see what is there. Oh, another box came.
You can open properly. Okay.
This is another box. About, I don't know what is inside it. I'm going to open it. Wait,
Pull it. Pull it.
I don't know how.
Want me to help?
Yes, I need help. Oh, I took it now. Then I need to tear this all pages. Finish.
Okay.
Let's do this. Wait, guys. Then let's see what's there. Oh,
Oh,
a
the soft
cute
type.
mermaid.
Show properly. Show to the viewers. Oh, good, good, good. Okay. Keep it aside and take it another one.
Now we're going to see stars.
Slowly.
I don't know what is here, but let's look, guys. Let's open it now. There is stickers. How I can open? I need something help.
You need some help.
Yes.
From here you can open. Like this.
Let's see now.
Open it properly. Don't do like that.
Oh, a building block. Let's see inside.
Show me. Come here. Come here.
Look at this.
Show it properly. Like this. You keep it there. I will take it. No, this is again sketch pens, I think, right?
No, this is
Kit only, smart kit.
not blocks.
Not building blocks. Wait, open this.
Let's open this and see what is inside. Look. Oh, let's see what bag is there.
Keep it here. Don't open everything. Okay, I will show it from. So this is a drawing kit actually.
Yes, this
Bigger
is.
one. See, you have a sharpener. You have color pencils.
And we
Paste
can
pens.
handle it like this.
Yes. True. Okay, keep it aside. Keep it inside. This one also you keep it in.
Wait, I'm not it.
Open another one. Okay.
Now we're going to see purple. Let's see. I think something is there. Let's see.
What your sister is doing?
My sister is playing there.
She is using the color pencils or what?
She is.
Okay. It's fine.
There.
Okay.
Yashvi.
Hi, Yashvi. Hey, hi.
A cute
Yashvi is writing.
pouch.
Okay, show properly.
Look it, Liz.
Show properly, Karthi. Remove this one. Okay. Okay.
Kitty. Next one we are looking. Pencil kit.
No, it's an art kit. You will have, see, color pencils, normal pencils, everything you will have it. Okay, good. Keep it aside and take another one.
Now we're going to see.
Hey,
the
Deshvi.
pencils.
Let her take, okay? We'll take from her later. You show the gift. She will not do anything. It's okay.
It's okay.
She is also kid, right? She wants to play.
She likes to play.
Yeah, she likes to play with you. Right?
Elsa!
Oh, Elsa, your favorite.
Yes, Elsa is wonderful. Let's see.
Show.
Shirty.
Show like this.
Look.
Okay, Elsa. This is again from Frozen, right?
Yes, Frozen.
Elsa. So you can do makeup, do dressing and all. Okay, good.
Now let's see.
Show other one.
Other one. మనకి ఇంకా
She started playing already.
డాడీ మనకి ఇంకా ఉండాలి కదా బ్యాట్.
That's fine. We'll get it. Okay. We'll clean up all these things first.
We share. Okay. Let's see when's inside.
Don't throw here and there. Keep it properly.
Wait, guys.
Come here.
Wait. No, see it.
Show properly. You have to keep it here. I'll take it. Okay. So this is again. What is this?
This is a house kit.
House play set. Okay. Beautiful house. Yeah, it's good. You got one like this earlier, I think.
I got in my sister birthday also. I got small house, and this is my return gift.
Okay. Keep it aside. So some are there in that. You get it in the chairs. Yeah, dining table chair there. Yes. Down, you see down. Yeah, you can see it, right?
Yes, I can.
Get them soon. You got them?
Yes, I got them.
Okay, come. Open the small ones first. Show it. This is my favorite actually.
This is my favorite actually. This is the pencil box.
So it has this glowing all stars and all. You can move it. I will show you in a second.
I won.
One second. Like this. So they will start moving. See. Nice return gift for kids.
Now let's open it. Oh,
It
this
just got 2 compartments.
yes, one for pencils and one for another. This is 3 pencil box kit.
Okay, good.
Now let's close it. Keep it right here.
Keep properly, they will fall down. Okay.
Then next one.
What you got?
Oh, I got chocolate.
Okay. This is chocolate. Show me. You have to show properly. Okay, good.
Next one is again that one.
Oh, one more art kit, Apsara. Good. Okay. Drawing kit. Okay, take it.
Now let's see. Oh, it is a lunch box.
Oh, it's a lunch box. Good one, right? Already you have one like this, right?
Yes, I have.
What?
But this is different one. I have another different one.
Okay, this got single compartment. Whatever you are taking is a double compartment one. Okay, fine, fine. Keep it there.
No, let's this.
Oh, this one.
This one I don't know what is this. Let's see now inside. I think it is a cricket bat or tennis bat.
Okay.
I cannot open. I need help.
Okay, this is surprise.
Let's see what we make it.
Oh.
Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Daddy help.
That's fine. We can see it's a tennis bat, right?
Is it the
Shuttle bats.
shuttle bat to tennis?
See, you can see, right? It's a shuttle bat. Want me to help?
Yes, I want to make help.
Slowly, slowly.
Wait.
Get the scissors. Come on.
Come on, let's open it. And open.
Careful, okay?
How to
Don't cut your hands.
How to open?
Keep it here, I'll open. Keep it here. Keep it here, I'll open. So, okay, what you will do with all these gifts?
I will share with my sister and she will share with her toys and I will play.
So, both will play together. You will share your toys. Both will share your toys and play.
Okay, I will share to my sister and to me. To buy me.
Okay. Okay. Say bye.
Bye.
Thank you, Karthika. Thank you, Jashvita. Thank you. Say bye, Jashvita. Bye. She has said bye. Okay. Okay, thank you.